Can a simple online store really make you $10,000 every month without buying any inventory up front? Yes, it's very possible. In fact, thousands of people are doing it right now using dropshipping, but success doesn't come from luck. It comes from following a clear, smart plan. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step blueprint to build your very own profitable dropshipping store in 2025. So let's break it down. Step 1. Understand how dropshipping works. Dropshipping is a type of online business where you sell products without ever touching them. Here's how it works. You build an online store and list products from suppliers. When someone places an order, you buy the item from your supplier. The supplier ships the product directly to your customer. You never hold inventory, you don't pack anything, and you don't need a warehouse. Your main job is to bring in sales and make sure customers are happy. This model allows you to start a business with very little money. For example, you can launch a basic store with as little as $300–500. Step 2. Choose a profitable niche. Your niche is the type of products you'll sell. This step is important because the right niche makes it easier to find winning products and customers. Here's how to pick a good one. Focus on evergreen niches like pet products, fitness gear, home improvement, or beauty. Use tools like Google Trends, TikTok, or Ecommerce Hunt to find what's popular. Avoid saturated products like fake eyelashes or cheap phone cases unless you have a new angle. Let's say you pick the pet niche. Dog beds, collars, and toys sell well year-round. If you can sell each item with a $15 profit margin and get 700 sales per month, that's over $10,000 a month in profit. Step 3. Find reliable suppliers. Now that you've picked a niche, you need a supplier to fulfill your orders. Here's where to look. AliExpress, best for beginners, offers a wide range of products. Spocket focuses on US and EU suppliers for faster shipping. Zendrop or CJ Dropshipping, more automation and branding options. Now the next thing is that what you need to look for in a supplier: ships products within 5 to 10 days, good reviews, 4.5 stars or higher, real product photos, and quality customer feedback. One pro tip is that order a few sample products for yourself. Check quality, packaging, and shipping speed. Step 4. Set up your store. You don't need to know how to code. Use an easy drag-and-drop builder like Shopify. Here's a breakdown of what you need: a clean homepage, product pages with high-quality images, an About Us and Contact Us page, FAQ and return policy pages. A Shopify plan costs about $29 a month, but it's worth it for all the tools it gives you. Pick a simple theme like Dawn to keep it easy to navigate. Make sure your product descriptions are short, clear, and speak directly to your audience. Instead of writing durable material, say built to last, even with daily use. Step 5. Add winning products. This is where most beginners get stuck. You need products that sell. Look for products with wow factors, solutions to common problems, TikTok viral items with lots of views and comments. Let's say you find a pet grooming tool that costs $5 on AliExpress and people are selling it for $25. That's a $20 profit per sale. If you make 500 sales a month, that's $10,000 in profit. Test a few products to see what works best with your audience. Step 6. Price your products smartly. Your pricing should include product cost from the supplier, shipping cost, marketing budget, profit margin, aim for 30–60%. For example, if your product costs $5, shipping is $2, and marketing is $3, your total cost would be $10. If you sell it for $29.99, your profit is about $19.99 per order. Also, use psychology. Cal pricing like $29.99 instead of $30. It looks cheaper and performs better. Step 7. Launch and test Facebook TikTok ads. Marketing is the heart of dropshipping. No matter how great your store is, if no one visits, you won't make sales. Here's what to do. Run video ads on TikTok and Facebook. Start with $20, $30 per day to test products. Create 3 to 4 short videos that show the product solving a problem. If one ad starts to bring in sales, scale it. For example, start by spending $30 per day on ads. If they're profitable, increase to $100 daily in week 2. By week 3, aim for 20 to 30 sales each day, with a $20 profit per order, 30 orders a day. $600 day, or $18,000 month in revenue. Step 8. Use free traffic too. Paid ads aren't the only way. You can also get free traffic. Post content on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Use Pinterest to share product pins. Start a blog with helpful content related to your niche. Let's say your TikTok gets 100,000 views and just 1% of viewers click through. That's 1,000 visitors. If 2% of them buy, that's 20 sales. At $20 profit per sale, that's $400 from one free video. Step 9. Handle orders and customer support. Once orders come in, use automation tools like de-essers for AliExpress orders, Zendrop for faster fulfillment. Always keep customers updated on their orders. Set expectations clearly. If shipping takes 7 to 10 days, let them know upfront. Also, reply to emails within 24 hours. Offer refunds when needed. Keep things professional and polite. Good customer service. More 5-star reviews, fewer chargebacks, and more returning buyers. Step 10. Track, improve, and scale. To grow your business, start using data smartly. Use Google Analytics to track where your visitors come from, Facebook Pixel to measure ad results, and Shopify reports to see your best-selling products. Focus on your conversion rate, 2 to 3%, add to cart rate, and keep your bounce rate below 50% for better results. If something isn't working, change it. Better images, new pricing, or a different ad angle can make all the difference. When things are working, double down. If one product is winning, test similar products. If TikTok is working, post more daily content. That's how you go from $1,000 a month to $10,000 a month and then beyond. Bonus: how much do you need to start? Starting a dropshipping store in 2025 doesn't require thousands of dollars. In fact, you can launch a fully functional online business with just $300 to $500. Here's a basic starting budget for your store. A Shopify plan will cost around $29 a month, a domain name is roughly $10 a year, and you can design a logo using free tools like Canva or spend up to $10. Ordering a sample product will run about $10 to $30, which helps you test quality before selling. For advertising, budgeting $200 $300 for your first Facebook or TikTok campaigns is smart. Lastly, add around $20 a month for useful Shopify apps to automate and manage your store. Compared to opening a physical store, this is a very low-risk investment. If your product hits the mark, you could earn your entire investment back within just a few weeks. Can you really make $10K a month? Yes, but only if you treat it like a real business. It takes time to test products, run ads, and find your audience. But if you stay consistent and keep learning, you can absolutely hit the $10,000 a month mark. Many beginners have done it in less than 6 months. Start small, keep improving, and grow with data. That's the dropshipping blueprint in 2025. If this video helped you understand how to start a dropshipping business step by step, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly guides just like this one. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I wish you massive success in your online business journey.